Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is August the 26th. We are out here in the Decatur area, East Atlanta, right off of Gresham Road, which is one of my old stomping grounds. My grandparents actually still have a house over here off of Gresham Road, but I'm on the other end. So anyway, guys, we are at a house. This is a new client, found me online. She decided to go with the screen and recoat. She said, Courtney, just don't have the time for the full sanding because she's moving in for Virginia. She did send me pictures. I never came out, did an in-home consultation, but I did go do an in-home consultation this morning, which is going to be a full sanding. Actually, it's a interior designer that actually found me. Say they have a hard time finding good people and really like what they saw about me. So they paid me to do an in-home consultation. This is going to be a full sanding in the next 2 to 3 weeks because they're actually gutting out the house. And then we have another paid in-home consultation in Midtown, which isn't far from where we are now. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, again, is a little bit over 1,400 square feet, screen recoat with UV cure. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so over here, let me show you what happened. I might add some color to it. The client tried to fill it. I told her with the screen and recoat, we do not fill cracks. You have to sand the floor all the way down, trowel the filler in it, and re-sand it so the filling is actually stuck and bonded to the wood, not just resting in the cracks or other wood. And eventually, like I told her, it's going to eventually start breaking up and crumbling up and coming back out. So these are the floors that we're doing today, guys. Not that's luxury vinyl plank. So we got these floors, okay? Floors just need some good TLC. Hold on, guys, let me clean my lens off. All right, that's better. All right, so we got some areas we're gonna add some color back to it. Up in here, like someone tried to fill that. Yeah, that's filler right there now that I got light coming in. So we're gonna add some color back here. Actually, this is the neighborhood that we're doing. Nice small neighborhood. Nice little small homes. Over here, through here. Also gonna be doing some color correction up in here. Then this room right here, which isn't too bad. Also this room. Now we do got some deep scratches and gouges. I do tell people with the screen and recoat, we will try to add color to camouflage them, but those deep scratches and gouges will not come out with our process. And especially over here, see this, guys? She said, Courtney, I did not see this. And a lot of people say this all the time. They'll see the house while it's furnished, but when you move the furniture, you see, but these are really deep gouges from furniture. Again, you're gonna add some color back, but the screening cannot flatten those out. Also over here, we got some deep scratches, okay? A lot of deep scratches. It's gonna add some color back to it. Nice spacious house, I must say. And then this room right here, connected to the laundry room. All right, guys, let's get this party started. All right, guys, we got the coating going down. T just doing the edges and those tight corners that the roller doesn't get. That's it. Yep. We already got the masters coated. All right, floors came out great, man. Really good. And see what day I can get out there, and I'll give you a quote. I'll definitely tomorrow. I know I might start out tomorrow before I get to the city. Yeah, so I think so yeah, text me your first and last name to this number. That's correct. I'll call you back and give you a time what day I can get out there and give you a quote. All right, guys, we just got back. My client said, wow.
Okay, don't forget.
I ain't gonna put you on it.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yep. And like I
Can
said,
step on it or?
yeah, you can step on it. Yeah, go ahead.
Take off my shoes.
Yep, you said take off your shoes.
Thanks.
Yeah, I told you, we put some work into this. It's for need to. You see how much cleaner it looks?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, look
Oh,
at this.
yeah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's looking good.
Looking good, ain't it? You see how I made, you know, when you put the, see how I see some of them out there, it's gonna crumble up? Yep. Yeah, you gotta sand that floor to get that down in that wood.
Okay.
Yep. Yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
this is like a new floor.
Uh-oh, okay. Appreciate that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Another happy client. And Ms. Nona, how did you find me again on the internet? On Google. All right. You gotta love Google, guys. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. We're about to head back to Gwinnett County. We'll be back in the city tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. All right, guys. See you in the next one.